Imagine you're a business owner trying to expand your operations globally. You've secured a lucrative deal with a client in Japan, but there's a catch. The client only accepts payments in Japanese yen. How do you navigate the complexities of cross-border transactions without losing money to exchange rates? That's where Airwallex comes in. Airwallex is a financial technology company that simplifies global payments and foreign exchange. But the question on many people's minds is, what currencies does Airwallex settle in? Airwallex offers a wide range of currencies for settlement, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Here's a breakdown. Major currencies. Airwallex supports all major currencies, including US dollars, euros, British pounds, Japanese yen, Australian dollars, and Canadian dollars. This means you can easily transact with clients and suppliers in these popular currencies. Emerging markets. Airwallex also caters to businesses operating in emerging markets. You can settle payments in currencies like Brazilian reais, Indian rupees, Indonesian rupiah, and Chinese yuan. This opens up new opportunities for growth in these regions. Global reach. Beyond the major and emerging markets, Airwallex supports a vast array of currencies, ensuring you can conduct business almost anywhere in the world. This global reach is essential for businesses that want to expand their operations and tap into international markets. Benefits of using Airwallex. Competitive exchange rates. Airwallex offers competitive exchange rates, helping you save money on your international transactions. Fast and efficient payments. Airwallex's payment infrastructure is designed for speed and efficiency, ensuring your funds are transferred quickly and securely. Global network. Airwallex has a global network of partners and correspondents, allowing you to access a wide range of payment options. Easy-to-use platform. The Airwallex platform is user-friendly, making it easy for businesses of all sizes to manage their cross-border payments. Real-world example. Let's say you're a US-based e-commerce company that sells products to customers in Australia. You could use Airwallex to receive payments in Australian dollars, convert them to US dollars, and deposit the funds into your US bank account. This process would be seamless and efficient, thanks to Airwallex's global network and competitive exchange rates. Additional features. Beyond currency settlement, Airwallex offers a range of other features, including *** global accounts. Open multiple currency accounts to manage your finances more effectively. * virtual cards. Issue virtual cards for online payments and expense management. * embedded finance. Integrate Airwallex's payment solutions into your own platform. Airwallex is a powerful tool for businesses that need to manage cross-border payments. With its wide range of supported currencies, competitive exchange rates, and efficient payment processing, Airwallex can help you grow your business globally. Whether you're a small startup or a large multinational corporation, Airwallex can simplify your international transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.